Are you the best RV dishwasher for RV owners? Space-saving appliances that deliver high performance are essential, and dishwashers are no exception. Compact RV dishwashers not only save time, but also reduce water usage, making them a practical choice for life on the road. To help consumers make an informed decision, Comfy Portable Mini Dishwasher Countertop with 5L built-in water tank for apartments. The Comfy Portable Mini Dishwasher is designed for small spaces, making it ideal for RVs, apartments, and dormitories. It features a 5L built-in water tank, eliminating the need for permanent installation. With 6 washing programs, including a high-temperature hygiene mode that reaches up to 192 Fahrenheit, this dishwasher is well-suited for cleaning heavily soiled dishes and baby bottles. Its ultra-compact design accommodates over 30 items and plates up to 9.5 inches in diameter. Performance-wise, the Comfy model delivers reliable cleaning with its 360-degree dual spray product. 2. Comfy Countertop Dishwasher. The Comfy Countertop Dishwasher is a slightly larger model with 6 place settings, accommodating up to 70 pieces of tableware. Its 8 washing programs, including baby care, ECO, and glass modes, provide versatility for various cleaning needs. The heavy program uses high water pressure and temperatures up to 154 Fahrenheit to tackle stubborn stains, while the speed program completes a wash cycle in just 45 minutes. This model excels in energy efficiency, consuming only 2.77 gallons of water per cycle. Its quiet operation, 49 dB, is a significant advantage for RV users who value peace and quiet. However, its larger size and weight. Product 3. Portable Countertop Dishwashers. The Novate Portable Countertop Dishwasher is the premium option in this comparison, offering a sleek design and robust features. Despite its compact dimensions, it accommodates 4 full place settings and dishes up to 12 inches in diameter. With 5 washing programs, including a baby care mode with 167 Fahrenheit water temperature. It ensures thorough cleaning for baby products and greasy dishes. The 3-in-1 function combines washing, drying, and cabinet storage for added convenience. Novate's drying capabilities are particularly impressive, with 60 minutes of hot air drying followed by automatic ventilation for 72 hours. Product 4. EHomie Mini Portable Dishwasher Countertop Compact Dishwashers. The EHomie Mini Portable Dishwasher is a versatile option with 6 washing programs, including normal, quick, eco, baby care / heavy duty, and fruit modes. Its compact design fits seamlessly into small kitchens and RVs, offering ample capacity for over 30 dishes. The baby care mode operates at 167 Fahrenheit, ensuring thorough cleaning of baby products and greasy tableware. Its dual spray arm system delivers 360 degrees cleaning, making it effective for even pet bowls and collars. EHomie stands out with its advanced drying mode, which includes 60 minutes of hot air drying, followed. Product 5. Blitz Home Portable Dishwasher Countertop. The Blitz Home Portable Dishwasher is the budget-friendly option in this comparison, offering a unique app-controlled feature for remote operation. With 6 washing programs, including eco, quick, and drying modes, it caters to diverse cleaning needs. Its 360 degrees dual spray system ensures thorough cleaning, while the high-temperature drying function, 167 degrees Fahrenheit, promotes hygiene and safety. The compact design fits 4 to 6 sets of tableware, making it suitable for RVs and small apartments. Blitz Home's app connectivity is a standout feature, allowing users to monitor and control